Hello, today we will guide you through how to add indicators on Thinkorswim. In this walkthrough, we'll add an indicator to a chart using Bollinger Bands as the example, and along the way I'll point out exactly where to click so you can follow confidently. Start by opening the Thinkorswim platform. You can use the desktop app or the web version. Once the workspace loads, you'll be on the main screen with access to your charts. From here, go to your chart view. If you don't already see a chart, open one for any symbol you want to work with so you have a visual to apply the indicator to. On the chart toolbar, look for the Studies menu. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled Studies or shown as a beaker icon. This is where Thinkorswim keeps all built-in indicators and any custom studies you've saved. Click the Studies menu to open its options. In the menu that appears, choose Edit Studies. This opens the Edit Studies and Strategies window, which is the control center for adding, organizing, and adjusting your indicators. You'll notice two main areas here, a list of available studies on the left and the studies currently applied to your chart on the right. Use the search box at the top of the available studies list and start typing bowling. That shorthand will bring up the Bollinger Bands indicator in the results. When you see the match appear, click the result to highlight it so it's ready to add. With the indicator selected, click Add Selected. You'll see Bollinger Bands move to the right-hand panel, indicating it's now attached to your chart. If you click on the gear icon next to it, you can view parameters such as length and standard deviations. The defaults are commonly used and work well for a first pass, so you can leave them as is if you're not making changes. Keeping the defaults helps you verify the indicator is placed correctly before you experiment with settings. Now click. Apply to preview the change on your chart. The bands should appear immediately, wrapping around the price action. This is a great moment to confirm visibility and color contrast so the indicator is easy to read against your chart theme. When everything looks good, click OK to finalize your selection and close the window. That's it. You've successfully added an indicator on the Thinkorswim. You can repeat the same process for other studies by searching their names, selecting them, adding, and then applying. Thanks for following along, and enjoy exploring your charts with your newly added indicator.